Welcome back to the channel. Me and Gaz are Gaz, outdoor Gaz and indoor Gaz. We're out again. We're in a secret location, the hugest packs. We're both in little pop-up tents. I'm in a 2-second Quechua, and Gaz, you're in a Summit Outdoor Leisure. But it doesn't matter about rain because we are camping in a cave. Okay. Camping in a cave, and it was Gaz's idea. So we've been to this cave many times before. It's pretty good, but it's a secret location. We're not going to tell you the location because it's our secret cave. But some of you may already know where it is. But it is dark outside already. We've arrived very late. I've been at work. Gaz has been at work, so we need to get out, get in the cave. That could just be one take. See you there. So there is the van, all sealed up for the night with not us in there, and we are headed into the darkness. Guys is just getting a few things sorted. We're both turtleback in today, so just do a spin, guys. Nice turtleback, and I'll do a spin if you can see me. But yeah, like I said, we'll see you when we get there. Oh, I almost tripped. Oh, someone's left some nice logs in here for us to sit on, guys. God, it's so sandy. Some logs. Okay, we will get some big lights out in a minute. Yes. No, you can't see anything at the moment, but we are in the cave now. Little window. I'm very hot with this pack on. Right, I think I'm going to get my pack off, guys. Yeah. And then we'll get some lights lit up, and then we'll show you guys around a bit. Take us around, guys. So we are struggling with the lights still, but let's go right to the back wall. There's a load of spiders up here. Let's go around, guys. I will follow you. That's my little fuel hand there, but this is a much brighter lantern. It's over here, guys. Now, just round this bit here, there's an old chimney. Oh, we're right underneath it now. So that's where the old chimney would have been, because this used to be a house. In this area where we're at, there's all old dwellings, and this would have been someone's house at one point. It's going to be our house tonight. This could be a little private bedroom. There is some glass on the floor. Some people have obviously been up here drinking. There's another one of these fires here. In fact, I think that's the main one there, guys. If we do have a fire here, we'll make sure that, you know, you can't even tell that we've had a fire here. We'll take a couple of these seats into our little area. So I thought I'd quickly just show you what kit I've brought. So this is my pillow. It takes a couple of blows. Comes with a repair kit. It is a Vango. It doesn't say like Vango 100 or whatever, but well, there we go. Vango Deep Sleep Thermo. So it only takes a couple of breaths. It's a bit wet. Yeah, I'm still blowing it up. It's hard to film and to do this. You could be my cameraman. There's the pillow. I used this on my trip across, cycling across Wales. It's really nice in my hammock. If you want to see that video, it's up there somewhere. It's a different sleeping bag to ultralight. It's a Vango Night Star 375. Comfort rating is -1. It was meant to drop down to about 5 degrees Celsius tonight, but now I'm here, just in a jumper. There's hardly any wind. It feels really nice. And I've got a sleeping pad, boys. Got a High Couture ultralight sleeping pad. So small. I'll blow that up in a minute and stick it in the tent. I'll show you the tents. So, guess he's just adjusting. You need to lie on it, guys, and then you can tell if it's straight or not. We're going to get a fire going at the other end, so hopefully it'll light the cave up a bit and you'll be able to see a little bit better. We've pulled some of these stumps over, so we've got some nice chairs. Yeah, I'm setting my bed up now, guys. Oh, what you got?
E-cushion.
Oh, what's this? This new as well. Nice. Got these buttons on it. Oh, need a machine to blow that up, guys.
10 breaths.
Let's see. We'll time it from now. Nice pattern on it. I like that. I reckon maybe you can button another one next to it. Maybe that's what that's for. If you know what this is, why it's got these buttons on, let us know in the comments. But I think so you can. Oh, it's got them on both sides. Maybe it's just for packing it away. Oh, he lost nearly all of it then, guys.
I'm doing it wrong.
You're doing it wrong, guys. You could just blow through that.
Yeah.
Now we're talking. Yeah, it only took about 15 minutes. Right, you see how long mine takes. I reckon I'm going to go with 10 breaths. This is actually Zoe's sleeping pad, but I've nicked it off her because she don't use it as much. Very similar to yours actually, although it's got like a built-in pillow. I'd say it might be slightly longer than yours. I'm going lightheaded.
Yeah, I went a bit dizzy. Breath 45. I'm not sure what you can say.
That's it then.
Now for the dull bread.
I'll take both of them, guys. Thank you.
Leg shell.
Yeah. But yeah, it's pretty warm. We'll see how it goes on sand. There's so much glass on the floor We've cleared a load away from under our tents. Yeah, see in a bit. I've got the big torch out now. There's Gazzy set. Look at that blanket liner you've got in there. What's this? Ooh, nice. Like it. Plenty of room. Nice pockets either side.
Yeah.
Little vent at the back. Some more setup. My thermal gear down there. Not that I'll need it.
You got a pillow as well?
Yeah, I got a pillow at the back. All set up. Pockets at this end though in this tent.
Yeah.
I'd like them to be back that end really. I like that it's got a little hook over in there so I can put stuff up. I have got the 3-second version of this as well, which is meant to be free mode. It's really good. Yeah, so that's us set up in the cave. This torch is much better. But we're planning to have our fire just over there. Another little room. Right, catch you in a minute. You still got all them thermal layers on?
Yeah. I'll just pick it up and whack it at the ground. I'll get through that now.
That's a nice sound, isn't it? If you haven't got one of these bottles for your plunger, makes it so much easier. Might as well fill her up. That's all the fluid I've got though, so hopefully we can cook our bacon in the morning.
It's way too
If
much.
not, we'll have to
Way too much.
yeah, but I can leave it in there. It is hard to light with a Zippo though. That's lit. Put that on there. Off we go, Trenger. It's definitely done. Put the lid on my Trenger, but I've misplaced it somewhere. I need to put that out. How easy was that? Oh. making such nice little campfires and it just collapses. Let's get that one in there. It's a lovely sound, that is. Oh, that's going to be nice. Hopefully the heat will deflect back off that.
Just fill up the whole
Shine the torch. That wall. Right, we'll get some of the bigger stuff on in a minute.
Yeah, just do it like that.
Yeah.
It's big chunks.
Those big chunkies. Get them started.
They're rolling downhill.
That's why I don't want to put them quite like that.
That'll do, it'll just burn them.
Please like and subscribe. So we are just chilling and Gaz just pulled his laptop out of his bag. So he's set the laptop up. Got a Bluetooth speaker behind us. What are we watching, Gaz?
June.
June. Just press play. What the fuck is this? You think we should be listening to this in this cave? Sounds really good behind us. Got the fire keeping us warm. So yeah, I'll check back with you in the morning. Good night.
Morning, guys. Did you hear that dog walker? Morning.
We've had lots of local dog walkers. And the dogs have been coming in. Standing close to there. Wow. And just barking at us. I had a very good night's sleep, actually. You have a good night's sleep, guys?
Sure.
My back's a bit stiff. But yeah, this was our view last night. That's behind us. There's all that stuff there. I'm gonna get the treasure on, get a brew on, and get a bacon roll on. See you in a minute. There's the remnants of our fire last night. We'll get rid of all that ash. You can't even tell we've been here. I'm just about to get a brew on. Gaz is just getting up. Gaz found with that summit tent, he's woke up to a whole load of moisture all inside the tent on the walls. But good morning. This is what it looks like in the daytime. Really cool. Really good night's sleep. Lots of dog walkers. One huge dog, sounded huge. Sounded like it was barking right outside my tent this morning, and then I heard some people calling it. And then they came up here, and then he was like, "It's just a tent!" to his dog. But yeah, I need the coffee, and I need a bacon sarnie. Bacon sarnie, guys?
Sandwich.
Yes, sarnie.
I don't know what that is.
This is a sandwich.
Okay.
Taking a little walk about. This is where he was walking in last night. Some of the old chimney stacks, or whatever that is. I think it would have been a chimney. Same here. Little steps. That's where we found those stumps last night. So the bacon is sorting itself out. I didn't have the little thing on there making the flame smaller, so it was just burning. So I've had 2 bacon rolls. This one's for Gaz. And Gaz has put his tent away already. I've just got to pack my stuff away, and then we're going to get out of here. Right, we're all packed away. Both turtle back in these pop-up tents. It's been a great camp actually. We're gonna have to bring the other guys back here. Bigger fire next time. Gazzy's Rock. That's what this place is called, isn't it? That's where we slept last night, into that part over there. Lovely autumn day actually. Another little entrance in there, guys. You could have had your own little private cave. So that's it, all packed away, ready for the next one. Well, not ready for the next one, but ready to go home and have a shower. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it, camping in the cave. And maybe the next time we'll camp on a raft, or
On the right.
Yeah?
Huckleberry fence style.
Yeah, alright then. So see you on the next one.